Been battling for so long, looking for where it went wrong. Lost bird in the hateful winter winds, trying to account for my sins. There's always a price and I'll pay it along. The road is long, but I'm coming home. Now the river's calm, but still there's fear. I found healing that's embedded here, where the fruit of my roots have felt my pain. Still searching sunshine in the rain. There's always a price and I'll pay it along. The road is long, but I'm coming home. In the hand of my soul there's delicacy, needs gentle care and nurturing. Reconnection, dancing with the pain. It's hard to push past all the guilt and shame. There's always a price and I'll pay it along. The road is long, but I'm coming home.